Hi guys, this is Asal, and tonight I wanted to make a quick video for you to talk about jurisprudence. What is jurisprudence exactly? It sounds like such a hard word, but the concept is very simple. Jurisprudence is the philosophy of law. So think to yourself for a second, what is the philosophy of law? This is actually, again, very simple. The philosophy of law is the study of how law applies to our everyday lives, like how the law applies to the economy, the religion, the morality, the ethics, and just how people live their everyday lives and how people make decisions. So let's think for a second. Do you think that you are a person of a good character? Am I a person of a good character? Who knows best? People have different ideas of what morality is. Something that I or you thinks is correct, it might not necessarily be correct because people have different views of the world. So here's where it gets a little bit problematic because people have different ideas of what is morality, for example, in a situation of euthanasia or gay marriage or abortion. In these type of situations, who knows best what to do? So actually, different philosophers have different ideas of what is best in the world. For example, we have philosophers such as Plato, Aristotle, Aquinas, or Kant, Fuller. These type of philosophers, they talk about the natural law, which I've made a video about it before, but I can go ahead and get into it a little bit more. The natural law is basically, to say it simply, like a God-given law, like a law that just exists by reason, like a law that is just right, like something that we all know in our hearts is the right thing to do. Like we all know in our hearts, we agree it is not right to kill someone. It is not right to steal. You see, these things that we understand that is a violation to other people, things that we don't want done to us. You see, the idea is do unto others what you want done unto you. So this is where some people think that the law comes from, and people think that we naturally understand what's moral and what's not moral. Some other people think that the law comes from legal positivism, and basically it doesn't matter what is moral or not. We should just do what the government tells us to do and not question it. So anyway, this is actually a very deep concept, and I could make a whole other video talking about this, but I have to keep this video short. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and now you have an idea of what jurisprudence is and what is the philosophy of law, and maybe now you get to think about how this applies to morality, and you know, if the law is actually good the way it's supposed to be. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and have a good night. Goodbye.